completed almost HTML. So a small application, yeah, the summary application I want to develop. Okay, so this the HTML application and the summary, last final assignment, something like that. I want to develop a small assignment. Right? I will show for you people first how it is going to be here, how to implement that we are going to discuss, so that you people can feel more comfortable. Next time you remember, right? In the last session, I used some Atom editor, HTML editor, sir. Have you ever have you downloaded this Atom? Yes, man. Atom downloaded and already started using, right? Yes, already started using small examples. Yes, compulsory we require to do Atom editor. Don't type H1 and so on, right? Okay, don't worry. So now in my system, Atom editor is already there. Okay, just observe that. Yeah, we are going to use Malaya. We are going to use all the tags in our application, so that you people can get much clarity, right? Okay, that's why if we start using now, we may not remember the tags. Yeah, you should, because we are at the end, we are using. Don't worry about that. Okay, at the end of the session we are using. That's why happily we can able to use that. No issue at all. Okay, now just let me go for. Okay, which application we are going to develop, sir? Which application we are going to develop? Just observe that Durga matrimonial. Are you getting that? Durga matrimonial, like these things. The input tag, name, attribute is necessary. Swarup. So generally, no attribute is mandatory. But if you want to get the value of input text field, compulsory input must be that name must be required, sir. Make sure. Now have a look once about my example here. Legend this one, legend home.html. Wow, wonderful, man. Home.html. Okay, so now one small thing I will do that. One small thing, because CSS we should not use. CSS we should not use, but anyway I used CSS. Just let me ignore this as CSS, because we don't know that CSS. That's fine. Okay, let me refresh. Okay, that's all. Have you observed, right? With the CSS, without CSS, the effect, are you seeing? Okay, this is my matrimonial site. Okay, with the CSS, if I can use with the CSS, if I use that, now observe, suddenly colors by default, everything will be. Have you observed that colorful by default is going to come? That is, anyway, we are going to discuss CSS in detail. Don't worry. Let me forget about this one. It's a very easy concept, sir. Don't worry. Don't feel sorry is ignoring something like that. Okay. Now this is the HTML. Sir, it is telling very clearly, welcome to Durga matrimonial. This is the image tag already there with me. Image tag. And then we are specialized in the following areas. This is the list, sir. Don't concentrate on content. Okay, my content is always funny. We are specialized in the following areas: late marriages, early marriages, second and third marriages, dating marriages, like this. Click here to register. Are you seeing right at the bottom? Click here to register. If I click this one, then automatically, yes, it's going to come. Oh, that CSS file I included in every page. That is the problem. 1 minute, sir. 1 minute. I don't want to use that CSS. In the register.html, CSS is there. I don't want. At last we will use that. Okay. Now here, can you please have a look once? Registration form. All fields are mandatory. Enter name, enter email, enter age. Are you interested in dating? Yes or no? Sir, your expectations like Katrina Kaif, Kareena Kapoor, like this. So now, how many marriages you want? Something like drop down. Next, check boxes, and then text box, register. If I click register, immediately, of course, here there are some fields which are mandatory. Like this I'm taking, sir. Sir, like now, register. If I, sir, thanks for registration, you will get match details soon by email. Have you remembered, right? Sir, all these things, sir, this is a small chota application, matter of 10 to 15 minutes or otherwise just 20 minutes around, we are going to develop. Remember that, sir, okay? So now what I want to take is, just observe carefully, sir. Let me start Atom. Okay, I have Atom is there. Let me start Atom. Next, what I want to take here is, okay, 1 minute, sir. Atom. Next, let me take another folder. Durga matrimonial is already there. So just I want to create one more folder. Durga matrimonial. Sir, Durga matrimonial. Okay, 8 p.m. something like, or 8:30 p.m. something like this I took, sir. Sir, in the Durga matrimonial site, one image is there. That image must be required for me. Regarding one image is there. Just I want to take image. Beyond that, nothing, sir. This is Durga matrimonial. Next, this is the Durga matrimonial 8 p.m. Sir, in this, just let me take one image. What is the image, sir? Mat.png. Regarding mat.png, this is the image what we have. Okay, PNG file is there, sir. Okay, well, now let me start the atom. Yes, ma'am, my atom got started. So all these things I don't want. Okay, sir. Yesterday and the day after. Yesterday and day before yesterday, we discussed several applications related to the CSS, right? Okay, in my offline batch. Don't worry, sir. Add right click, sir. Add the project folder. What is the project folder, sir? In the new Durga matrimonial 8 p.m. right? Select this folder. Yes, I selected, sir. Sir, are you able to see what I'm doing? Yes, ma'am. I created one folder. Durga matrimonial 8 p.m. Next and after that, sir, here there one image file is already there. I hope is that clear, right? No HTML pages and so on. Okay. Now what I want to take, right click, new file. Right click, new file. Sir, what I'm taking, home.html, because this is the home page, home.html. Like this I'm taking, sir. Sir, first home page must be required. Home page must be required. Sir, how the home page looks like? Sir, here, welcome to Durga matrimonial. Sir, don't concentrate on styles. Remember that until HTML, don't concentrate on styles. Okay, once a CSS is going to start, concentrate only on style. Okay, but here content, h1 tag, next the image, like this. Can you please tell, sir, first HTML? Okay, how I can able to get HTML, sir? Just enter HTML came. Sir, this is Durga matrimonial. Sir, welcome. Durga matrimonial site, something like this I'm taking, sir. So first h1 tag must be required. Have you observed that h1 tag must be required? Welcome to Durga matrimonial. Okay, h1. That's all. h1 enter. Observe that h1 enter. I'm not required to type h1 less than and so on type. Okay, just a copy. Welcome to Durga matrimonial. Next, after this tag, one image must be there. Image is there. Can you please tell if you want to include image, what I have to type? Please respond. What I have to type? Image tag must be required. img, enter. Regarding img, enter. What is the name of the image? On the left hand side, are you seeing the name of the image, right? mat.png. Already there, sir. mat.png. Okay, alternative, sir, image not available. Something like if you want, you can able to take, sir. No problem at all. Yes, sir. Up to this, it's going to come or not. There is one way is there, sir. On the right click, next copy full path. If you observe that, if you observe copy full path, what is this shortcut? Anyone can you please tell? Control Shift C. Are you getting that? Control Shift C. Okay, copy full path. Now Control Shift C. Okay, open the browser. Sir. Okay, this is my browser. Assume new one. Open the browser like this, right? Open the browser. This is Durga matrimonial 8 p.m. home. Yes, perfectly. It's coming up to that. No problem at all. Welcome to like this, right? Sir, this is the original already available. This is my I want to download. Next, after that, here I want to take, we are specialized in the following areas. This is the paragraph tag. Regarding this is the paragraph tag. Okay, now can you please guide what I have to take, sir? P tag. That's a P enter. Okay, you are not required to type less than and so on. P tag. Okay, now copy. we are specialized in the following areas. Okay, we are specialized in the following areas. Now the remaining, have you observed, right? Late marriages, early marriages, second and third marriages, dating cum marriages, all these things are nothing but UL. Okay, what we call this unordered list. Unordered list. UL enter. UL enter. Sir, inside UL, several LIs must be required. LI. Are you getting LI? Okay. Sir, what is the first option? Okay. Late marriages is my first option. Just copy paste late marriages. Now there is one small shortcuts, right? Atom shortcuts are there. Please observe. Sir, if you want the same line multiple times, duplicate line, same line, can you please create again and again? It's a very common requirement, sir. What I have to take, sir? Sir, Control Shift D, Control Shift D, like this I'm taking. So duplicate line, so that the data I can able to change it. So first one late marriages, second one early marriages. Okay, second one early marriages. Sir, next up. Sir, while developing web applications, make sure, sir. So you require to copy, sir, copy paste from several locations. What you can able to do is just please copy that text here. Next and after that, just copy paste wherever it is required. Instead of, it's a very common, sir, colors, fonts, everything we require to do that. That's why, sir, like here, that's all. Okay, now terminology is very clear for you people, right? Yes, sir, that's all. UL. Okay, like this. Up to this, let me cross check, sir. Okay, yes, we are specialized in the following areas: late marriages and so on. At last, click here to register. One hyperlink must be required. Click here to register. Please guide, sir. Click here to register. What I have to take? Which tag must be required? Anchor tag. Just A. That's all. A enter. HRF. Okay. If you click to which page it should go? Register.html. Register.html. Sir, what display text you require? Sir, click here. So to register. Okay. Click here to register. Like this something. Yes. Have a look once. Yes, sir, that's all. Everything is clear for all of it. Sir, we are in a position. Okay. H1 tag. Next image tag. Next and after that. Yes, we are specialized. Paragraph tag. These things are nothing but what we call unordered list. Click here to register is a hyperlink. Any doubt? Any doubt about this one? Are you in a position to see? But I'm seriously telling. Don't concentrate on styles. Such styles, don't worry. Fonts, styles, everything. CSS is going to take care. Just here, concentrate only on the content. Observe that. Clear, right? Up to this? Okay. If I click this one, now the control should go to. If I click here, now the control should go to. Can you please tell? If I click hyperlink, the control should go to register.html. But the register.html is not there. Are you getting right? So here, have you observed, right? Can you please observe carefully? This type of analysis must be required, sir. This type of analysis must be required. Sir, here, I want to click here. If I click this one, automatically the control will go to which place? Observe, this type of analysis must be required. Oh, the control is going for register.html. Register.html is not there. That's why we are getting the file was not found. Okay, because I didn't develop register.html. Okay, well, right click, new file. Okay, what I have to take, sir? Register.html. I'm taking. Excellent, sir. Now register page is ready. Okay, in the HTML compulsory. Yes, sir, that's all. This is, sir, registration form. Okay, registration form. Especially this one must be required, registration form. Okay, like I'm taking, sir. Now in the original, this is Durga Matrimonial original. Click here to register. Okay, registration form. So it is the H1 tag. This one is the H2 tag. All. So first, what I want, sir, registration form. H1 tag. H1 enter. Okay, registration form. Next, H2 enter. H2 enter. All fields are mandatory. Assume that's all. Just I want to. I'm trying to print, sir. All fields are mandatory. Well, sir, observe. Now, either link is working properly or not. Can you please observe? Click here to register. Yes, ma'am. Automatically the control is coming to register.html. Registration form. All fields are mandatory. Okay, well. What next I have to take? What next I have to take, sir? Very simple. Very simple. Here just observe the browser. What is the next one, sir? Here these name, email, age must be required. Regarding name, email, and age must be required. First, let me concentrate about name. Sir, have you remembered labels must be required or not? Yes, this name is the label, email is the label, age is the label like that. So what I want to take is, can you please guide, sir? Oi, can you please guide? Label. Okay, what label you want? Enter name. Enter name like this, right? So this is for name label. This is the name label. Okay, label is ready, sir. Okay. Now, here 1 minute. Where is the form tag? Where is the form tag? We are talking about this one, but all these things should be part of form or not? Yes, compulsory. That's why before this we have to talk about form. Okay, we require to talk about form tag. Assume that's it. Okay, form. I'm taking form. Okay. In that, don't concentrate about all these nonsense. At last, we will talk about that. Don't worry, sir. In that, I'm taking label. Okay, label is ready. Form tag. In that, sir, for this label, I want to create input tag. Input type is equal to text. Name is always text only. Sir, name is equal to any name you can take. User name. Next, do you know? I don't want to take. Have you observed, right? Here enter name. Observe that enter name. Listen carefully. Enter name. Okay. Here I want to enter. Is it the value attribute or placeholder? Anyone can you please guide? Is it value or placeholder? Placeholder is always recommended, right? We should placeholder. Okay. I don't want to take value. Placeholder. Okay. Placeholder. Sir, what value we are going to take for the placeholder? Okay, enter name. Okay, enter name. Like this, I'm taking, sir. Enter name. So now ID must be required. ID is equal to here. Just listen this a bit carefully, sir. ID. Okay, like what is the value of ID, sir? Name. But the value of ID itself is nothing but name. That's all. First label and the corresponding input field is ready, sir. Can I copy paste these things? Okay, so that next remaining things also my life will become very easy. Okay, like this. So input ID. What are the next ones are? Name, email, and age. That's right. Enter email. This is for mail, sir. Next, obviously this is for mail. Next, type is equal to. Please guide. Type is equal to. Please guide. Type is equal to email. What is the advantage? You know, type is equal to email. Next, name is equal to, okay, sir, email. Something like I'm taking, sir, mail. Okay, mail. And the placeholder, enter mail ID. Something like I'm taking, sir. Now that's all. This is about second label is ready. Okay, at the rate compulsory must be required. That's why. Third label, sir. Enter name, email, age. Okay, well, sir, third one, enter age, sir. Enter age like this. I'm taking. ID will become age. Type is a text only. Sir, enter age field. Next, enter age like this. I'm taking, sir. Enter age like. Up to this, not required to keep any explanation, sir. Next, all fields are mandatory. Like that's why. What we have to take, sir, here, mandatory. Mandatory means what I have to take, sir? Required. Are you getting it? Required. Next, here also required. Okay, required like this. Next, here also required. Because compulsory, you should provide. Okay, required like this. Any doubt? Okay. Now let me cross check, sir. Let me cross check. Sir, this is the form. Click here, sir. That's all. Registration form, all fields. Enter name, enter email, enter age, and so on. But anyway, just all the things are coming in the same line. Better to use BR tag. Are you getting? BR. Next one after that BR. Okay, like I'm taking BR. Sir, don't concentrate much on the style. I told just, but anyway, it seems to be a bit ugly. That's why I'm taking, sir. Enter name and enter email and then enter age. Let me add one more BR. Of course, let me add one more BR so that a bit relaxedly the elements are going to come, sir. Okay, have a look once. That's all. Enter name, email, and enter age. Okay, that's it, sir. So pre tag we can able to use, no problem. Yes. So now what next thing we require to talk about? Yes, can you please observe in this? What is the next one, sir? Are you interested in dating or not? Okay, are you interested in dating or not? Like this, I'm going to take, sir. Sir, what I have to take? Is it radio buttons or not? Yes, radio button labels must be required. First, let me take, sir, some H2 tag. Are you interested in dating or not? Okay, and then let me take labels. Label for yes. Label for yes. Like this, I'm taking label for yes. Yes, sir. Sir, are you interested in dating or not? Yes. Yes, like this I'm taking, sir. Can you please tell input type is equal to radio. Are you getting input type is equal to radio button like I'm taking, sir. Next ID is equal to sir, have you observed, right? ID I'm taking y value. ID is the y value, right? Like this. So this first one is ready, sir. First one is the ready. Second one, sir. Second one. Okay, label. Now this time, no, I'm taking. Second label, sir. Can you please observe that? Second label I'm taking, sir. Input ID is the yeah. Okay, name and value. We are not required to worry about that. Okay, 1 minute. Let me cross check. Yes, are you interested in dating? Yes or no? But the problem here is, if I can take yes, ma'am, I'm interested in dating. If I can take no, I'm interested. Both are selected. How both are going to be selected? Because at least only one value should be selected. How you can able to, sir, do that? Correct. How you can able to do? These are two radio buttons related to one name. That's why at a time only one value by default is going to be accepted. Okay, name I'm taking dating. Okay, here also name I'm taking dating like this, right? Sir, now observe. Radio button is also ready, sir. If you select yes, then automatically, sir, if you select no, automatically yes will be disabled. Yes, no, something like this. Any doubt? Correct? Name attribute should be same. Then only if name attribute is not same, what will happen, sir? Both are treated as two independent buttons. You can select both the things, right? Okay, that's all. This is the first thing what we have to do that. Any doubt up to this? Radio button is also ready. If we want to unselect, yes, unselect means only one value you are going to take now. Automatically it will be unselected. Okay, now don't concentrate about, yes, I'm telling Aman Kumar, don't concentrate about alignment, styles, all these things. That is our next topic. Okay, so yes. Concentrate only on content like this. So now what I want to do, one small thing I want to explain for you people, right? Just observe that, sir. Just observe a small thing I want to tell. So otherwise, sir is telling some, okay, he is showing okay, but style is not there like some people are feeling. For them, I want to show one small example, and then I will continue. Matter of 1 minute. Don't worry. Here, there is one application in there. What is this application name? Durga. What is the application name? Durga? Gambling. Durga gambling application is there, sir. Have a look once. Durga gambling. Now this is gambler.html is there, sir. Okay. Let me remove this one. Let me remove this link. Observe that. If I remove this link, how HTML looks like? Observe that. Have a look once, sir. It's going to display. Don't worry about that. Just I remove that link. 1 minute. Why it's taken this much time? Yeah. Font APIs I'm using. Yeah, luckily. Sir, have you observed, right? How the data looks like? That's a very plain. Hey, Durga gambling group, India's #1 gambling group. Okay, are you interested to join this group? Enter name, enter mail ID, enter mobile number, something like join us. Are you getting that? Join us. Like this seems to be like this. Sir, seems to be, sir, nothing, just a data and so on. Now think a bit very carefully. One small tag I want to use, that tag is CSS tag. CSS tag. If I use a CSS tag, if I use CSS, just I use it, refresh. Just I use it, refresh. If I use CSS tag, just refresh. Observe that. What? Have you observed, right? Same application only, same thing only. How the style by default is going to be changed? Are you getting that? Same thing only. How the application by default will be changed, sir? Now observe this type of styling. We are going to do that. Join us. Please include mail ID @gmail.com. Join us. Observe that. Thanks for interest gambling. Our experts will contact you soon. Are you getting? So don't concentrate about style. That is our next topic. There I will discuss much. Okay. Here concentrate only on the content. That's about my intention of telling this one. Okay. That's all. Registration form is ready. Up to input field is ready. What is the next one I have to take, sir? Please guide. What I have to take? Your expectations are like. What is this one, sir? This is assume that H2 tag or H3 tag. H2 tag, sir. H2. Sir, your expectations are like you want your life partner. Your life partner should be like okay. Your expectations are like. Can you please guide, sir? Drop down list. How you can able to develop? I forgot, sir. Anyone can you please guide? Anyone can you please guide? Select a tag must be required. Select a tag is required. Okay, don't worry about that. Select a tag must be required. Within the select tag, there are several options. Are you getting that? There are several options. So option tag must be required. Option name. First name I'm taking. Do you want like Katrina Kaif? Do you want something like a Katrina Kaif? Yes. If it is the case, KF is the value. First one, sir. Sir, I want to duplicate this line. Can you please tell what the shortcut I require to use? I want to duplicate this line multiple times. What is the shortcut? Control-Shift-D. Remember, Control-Shift-D in the Atom. Atom it is the shortcut, sir. I hope in Eclipse also it's going to work. Control-Shift-D. Okay, like so Katrina Kaif. Okay, like sir, any other name you can take. Priyanka. Okay, next here. Okay, our favorite, sir, Sunny Leone. Okay, the most social service leader. Okay, Mallika Sharawat. Like this I'm taking, sir. So my life partner should be how your life partner like. Okay, now have a look once. Is it coming or not? Okay, well, ma'am, your expectations like Katrina Kaif or Priyanka or Sunny Leone or Mallika Sharawat, something like this. Okay, well, we are not required to worry about names and so on. Okay, name, if you want, just give the name, your expectations. Expected. Okay, like I'm taking, sir. Next, the multiple values if you want to take. Multiple values you want to take. Malaya. How many people you require, man? Only one. Don't go for other. Your life cinema will be horrible. I hope you are not married, it seems. Malaya, are you married? Malaya, are you married or unmarried? That's why you are telling multiple. Once you married, then single also I don't want. Like you definitely you are going to get the feeling. Okay, now that's all. So no, this is just observe that. Okay, sir, your expectations are like we took, right? Next one. There are some people are telling correct, like maybe married people are confirming my word. Okay, well, next thing, sir. Yeah, what is the what next time I want to take here is observe, sir. This is okay, like Adnan. Next, how many marriages you want? Okay, well, this is the next one, sir. How many marriages you want like this? I'm taking. Okay, like just kidding. Don't take any serious. Bargain. Just like just kidding. Don't take that much serious, ma'am. Okay. Yeah. How many marriages you want like this? Like, sir, now again drop down. Again drop down. How you can able to implement, sir? Select the next in the how many number of marriages. Okay, well, name. In the options must be required. Option like, sir, now 1 2 3 4 1. I want here, just I'm taking one like, sorry, here I'm taking one like, I'm taking next one. After that, control shift D. Sir, do you want a 2, do you want a 2, do you want a 3, do you want a 3 or 4, like, whatever you want, you have to specify, sir. Okay, but not recommended to go for more than one. Okay, otherwise you will horrible to bear. Okay, 1 2 3 4, like this I'm taking, sir. Okay, that's all. Up to this is the clear, right? Now, next, name is equal number. No, just anyway, just think a bit very carefully, sir. Always name only in HTML and CSS. These name fields are never going to play any role. Once our backend is going to start, in the backend, everything we have to talk by using name only. Sir, in the backend, I want to know which value E got selected. Then this by using number only, you have to get that. That's why compulsory. As of now, HTML, CSS, these names are not required. Whether you are taking or not taking, no difference at all. Don't worry, sir. Okay, like that's all. Up to this is the clear. Now, what next I have to take, sir? Oh, Katanakai, how many marriage? Sir, are you heavy alcoholic on some checkbox? Sir, some checkbox I'm taking, sir. Are you heavy alcoholic or not? Okay. Now, just H2 tag I'm taking, H2 like this. Are you heavy alcoholic? Like, sir, now what these ones are? Yes, no, or only on weekends, something like you can actually may not that much meaningful this word. Okay, may not, yes or no, or only on weekend, something like checkbox. How you can able to do that, sir? Can you please guide? Import type is equal to checkbox. Import type is equal to checkbox, like this, right? Sir, first yes, no, and then only on weekends. Sir, can you use the word? Those things are nothing but labels are not. Yes, you can take label or otherwise no problem at all. What I'm taking, just yes. Okay, value, yes, like this I'm taking, sir. So here this name itself is nothing but just alcoholic, like. So what is the value, sir? If you select yes, then automatically this is the value. Control shift D, like this, right? So checkbox. Second one, sir. Second one, no, sir. Are you heavy alcoholic? No. Next, sir, here, what is that? Only on weekends. Only on weekends. Only on weekends, like this, right? Okay, only on weekends. Only weekends, like this, something. Can you please have a look once, sir? This is about import, sir. But how all these checkboxes are grouped, sir? Anyone can you please tell? How all these checkboxes are grouped into single one? I mean, not grouped. I mean, all these are related to only one field only. How you can able to identify that these are grouped into a single? Because of same name. Are you getting that? Because of same name. Now observe that. Let me refresh. Yes. How many marriages you want? 1 2 3 4. Next, are you heavy alcoholic or not? Yes or no, or otherwise, sir, only on weekends. Something like you can able to take. Okay. Well, sir. Well, what is the next one? Your preferences and the extra information. Your preferences and the extra information. Okay. Again, H2 tag I have to take. Again, H2 tag. What your preferences and the extra information. Like this, I'm taking, sir. Okay. Now, what is this one, sir? Last one, text area. Have you remembered, right? Okay. text area like this. Okay, name is the preferences. Okay, like I'm taking sir, preferences, rows like this automatically. Can you please cross check, sir? Okay, either checkbox is coming or not? Yes. Okay, after this one PR tag I'm taking. Next last one, sir, input tag, type submit. Okay, this is the submit tag. Value register. Okay, like this, value register. Next sir, do you know all these things are there inside a form, but where is the closing of this form? Oh, here only the form got closed. You're getting, but all the form only, all these things are required. Okay, 1 minute, sir, we will discuss. Okay, that's all. Input type is equal to like this. Now have a look once. All the things are ready or not? Yes, ma'am. Name, email, next and after that age. Next, are you interested in dating or not? Yes or no? Next, your expectations are like how many marriages you want? Are you heavy alcoholic and so on? Register like this. I'm taking, sir. Just the register. But yeah. Sir, can we go with the labels with the checkbox? Yeah, Shashank, we can able to do that. No problem at all. But whenever I click this one, now the control should go to thank you.html. But where I have to define thank you.html? Anyone can you please guide? If I submit this one, okay, where is the next one? Where is the next one? Can you please tell? Form action. Here is a very important action is equal to thank you dot html like this I'm taking, sir. What is this one, sir? Thank you dot html like this I'm taking. Okay, now sir, just let me submit all. Durga, enter email, Durga, enter age, some 48 I'm taking. Are you interested and so on? Katanaka, if like I required. Next and after that, how many marriages I want? 4 marriages minimum. Heavy alcoholic, yes. Okay, like this, register. Okay, that's all, sir. Even you register 1 minute only. Yeah, we have to create thank you.html. Otherwise, yes, sir. Actually, have you observed, right? It is reflecting to register.html only. Why it's not going for? Yes, am I doing any mistake? No. Form action is equal to thank you.html. Like all these things are clear. Okay, now that's it. Okay, that's all. Now just observe carefully, sir. So let me create that thank you.html also. Yes. Okay, new file here, thank you.html. HTML I'm taking. Okay, sorry, here HTML. Now here title, thank you, something like I'm taking, sir. Even H1 tag also. If I submit all these things, okay, like 48, something like I'm taking. Yes, no, like yes, like just I'm selling register. Thank you.html. Thanks for registration. Okay, H1 tag I'm taking. Thanks for registration like this. Thanks for registration. Next, you will get match details soon by email. Okay, H2 like this. That's all, friends. So now, okay, this is about, okay, what is the complete form is ready. Let me cross check. Let me close this one. Again, it's going to work now. Let me start my journey from here. Okay, if you want to 0 to 9, sir, plus at least 1 digit. Only digits are allowed. Here my title should be only digits are allowed. Are you getting? Only digits 0 to 9. Any digits you can take, sir. Only digits are allowed. Okay, now refresh. Sir, I'm taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect, acceptable. Okay, next and after that, sir, A1, B2 invalid. Are you getting invalid? Only digits are allowed. Why you are taking A, B and so on? Okay, such type of options also possible. Clear, right? Any doubt? Okay. Yes, digits are not. That's what Shivagni. That is what you have to aware. Just only based on the regular expressions, right? Okay. If you aware regular expressions concept, then you can able to do that. Sir, alphanumerics are allowed. Alphanumeric symbols are allowed. Backslash W. Backslash W means any word character. Any word character. Remember that. Backslash W means any word character. Means, sir, you can take A to Z, lowercase, or you can take capital A to Z, or you can take 0 to 9, and then surplus at least one character. At least one character. You can take alphabet symbol either lowercase or uppercase or this it. Like this you can able to take. Okay. Now, have a look once. Have a look once. Only alphanumeric symbols are allowed. Only alphanumeric symbols are allowed. Special characters are not allowed. Are you getting? Special characters. Special characters are not allowed. Special characters are not allowed. Only alphabet symbols are allowed. Now, have a look once. Refresh. A1, B2, C3. Like this I'm taking. Valid. It's going further. Valid. It's going to further. Suppose I'm taking A1, C, hash symbol, and E I'm taking. Hash symbol, immediately it's going to object. Hey, special characters are not allowed. Special characters are not allowed. Like this, right? Okay. Anyway, what is the difference between plus? What is the difference between plus, a star, and so on? These things we will discuss in the regular expressions. Malaya, star means any number of characters, plus means at least one character. Star means any number of characters, plus means at least one character. Underscore symbol is not allowed, Rohit. Backslash W means only either lowercase symbols. Here A to Z, capital A to Z, 0 to 9 means alphabet symbols and the digits only. Clear, right? Yeah. So that's all, friends. This is what you people should aware. Anyway, just